Hi everyone, this is Sketchman Boris stepping back in after a long time. So this is Script Studio Paint, the software, and I'm using a Huawei tablet. I think it's called MatePad 11. And I'm working on a WEBTOON. So I just wanted to talk about digital versus traditional, because I'm still kind of struggling with that, like because it's like kind of determining like what kind of artist am I. So I'm slowly realizing that I'm an artist who loves line art in traditionally paper and pencil. I'm just more productive that way. It's just easier. It just goes. It's very natural to me, and it's like easier to create because you just grab the paper and draw. But for the software thing, it's like I don't know. There are so many things, like the way the screen is positioned. They're just like opening the software, like finding. Yeah, it's I don't know. I know that these are like really stupid steps, but but I love coloring on digitally, so I'm just really kind of coming to accept that I love drawing uh, traditionally on paper, and then uh, coloring digitally. This one I've already drawn this whole chapter in Script Studio Paint. So as I am drawing this, I wanna. The reason why I'm want to progress and publish this is because we organized the Bangkok Comics Art Festival, which is the exhibition is ongoing now. The exhibition has started, and the convention will be the 12th. So I'm recording on the 3rd of October. And yeah, I don't know what I'm drawing. I'm just like drawing. I don't even remember what the story was. So yeah, I wanna let people know that there's a series called Wolves of Bangkok. I want to end it here. So again, you have to find your process. Actually, I kind of prefer this recording on the screen. I know that people do the screen capture where you don't see the. But I think I want the people to see the hand. I think it's just more interesting. Um, just a knock on the door. So this is my way of testing out. Not testing out. I've already done webtoons, but kind of just like do like another series on webtoon, but an actual series, not like so I did a mini series called Helping Zombie, which is on webtoon, free to read. I think I also put the link in the description. I think I always put the link in the description. um, so I have a story in mind, but then the actual panel to panel, what's going on is basically me just making up as I go. I I feel like I really enjoyed that process, and it's kind of makes it interesting for me, and I hope it makes it interesting for the people who are reading. Yeah, so just stepping in to say watch out for Wolves of Bangkok on Webtoon. I will also share once I have it um, finished here. Yeah, I think I'm going to. So this is, I mean, uh, it's like this is what I like to do, just like sit down and do the work. And sometimes I want to listen to music or put some video or something, but the problem with what it does is that it ends up distracting you. Music, I mean, even music now, I'm suspicious because like you have to find the right music because music affects your mood, and sometimes it can change the mood of drawing. I feel. Uh, so now I just tend to draw in silence. So anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me just for a little while. I just stepped in to kind of talk about the comics festival and my own comic that I want to absolutely get it on Webtoon before the convention, so that basically the thing is I tell people I'm a comic artist, and then I I, I try to put together these events, which again, but then I don't have time to make comics. So this is how I can make comics, just like one panel at a time, like just like one step at a time. So thank you so much for watching, and I don't want to promise anything because each time I promise something, I never keep it. So I'm just going to tune in when I like feel like it, and then I'm going to upload video, give some advice, because that's all I know how to do. I'm not. I need. I don't have an editor, so I don't edit my videos. But if it's maybe it's something that you need too, which is like someone talking sometimes, but like also drawing mostly silently. Kind of that. Maybe that's a video that you wanna put up. So yeah. So thank you so much for watching. See you.